Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: account, word list, and device. First, open Word Wall and sign in. Make sure you select the correct class or profile. Next, import or type your words. CSV saves time when you have many entries. Once done, choose a template that fits your goal, like matching for recall or flashcards for study. Press Create to generate the activity so you can see the layout and start customizing without delay. Now you customize the activity to make it effective. You'll edit individual tiles, replace text, add an image or audio clip, and adjust font size for visibility. Then group words into sets to scaffold difficulty or target lessons, and configure timers and scoring so the task matches your pace. Make sure to enable shuffle or lock order depending on learning goals. Once tailored, preview and test the interaction to confirm clarity and flow before assigning to students. Finish by publishing the activity and assigning it directly to your class or sharing the link. Set a due date if needed. You can monitor completion in real time, review scores, and export results as CSV for reports or parent communication. Make sure to toggle visibility so only intended students access it. If something goes wrong, students can't load or scores don't save, clear your browser cache, reload the activity, and verify a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.